Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove or disable a comment box fill color or background color in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, select file option and select here open. I have already opened this PDF file and I will remove this comment box fill color. Select comment option and now click on this comment box and select right button on mouse cursor and select properties, and properties dialog box select here appearance option, and this right side option here you will find this fill color option. Simply click on this fill color and select here no fill color and see this fill color now gone. Now you can set it default current properties, also you can lock it if you want, and simply select close and click anywhere and see this comment box fill color remove, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.